This is DevAI, focusing on newest developments in AI and the legal space. Please subscribe to my channel. The question that I would like to pose today is, can an AI enhance banking compliance? Increased use of AI can drive efficiencies and reduce costs in compliance management. Where regulations are created to protect consumers and markets, they're often complex, making them costly and challenging to adhere to. Highly regulated industry like financial services and life sciences have to absorb the most significant compliance costs. Deloitte estimates the compliance costs for banks have increased by 6% since the financial crisis of 2008, and the Risk Management Association found that 50% of the financial institutions spent 6 to 10% of the revenues on compliance. Artificial intelligence and intelligent automation processes such as RPA, robotic process automation, and NLP, natural language processing, can help drive efficiency up and costs down in meeting regulatory compliance. In a single year, a financial institution may have to process up to 300 million pages of new regulation, disseminated from multiple state, federal, or municipal authorities across a variety of channels. The manual work of collecting, sorting, and understanding these changes and mapping them to the appropriate business area is extremely time-consuming. While RPA can be programmed to collect regulation changes, the regulation also needs to be understood and applied to business processes. This is where sophisticated OCR, or optical character recognition, NLP, and AI models come in. First of all, OCR can transform regular text into machine-readable text. NLP is then used to process the text, understanding the convoluted sentences and complex regulatory terminology, and subsequently the AI model can leverage the output to provide options for policy changes based on similar past cases and filter through new regulations to flag those relevant to the business. All these capabilities can save an analyst a significant amount of time, thereby reducing cost. One of the biggest time drains in regular reporting is figuring out what needs to be reported, when, and how. This requires analysts to not only review the regulations, but interpret them, write text on how the regulations apply to the business, and translate it into code in order to retrieve the relevant data. Alternatively, AI can quickly parse unstructured regulatory data to define reporting requirements, interpret it based on past rules and situations, and produce code to trigger an automated process to access multiple company resources to build the reports. This approach to regulatory intelligence is gaining traction to support financial services reporting, as well as life sciences companies where submissions are required for new product approvals. Artificial intelligence and intelligent automation processes such as RPA and NLP can definitely support banks enhancing their compliance and drive efficiencies. The level of success depends on each individual bank and whether the cultural change that is necessary is successfully carried out within the bank. This is DevAI, focusing on the newest developments in AI and the legal space. Please subscribe to my channel and put any question or feedback in the comment section. Goodbye.